Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're ripping one box of Panini 2021 NBA Chronicles Blaster. Similar to the UFC Chronicles Blaster box I unboxed in my first video, the setup of this product is very similar to the UFC one. So Chronicles, we don't expect to really get any huge or big hits from the box. We are looking more for the different designs of the different base sets that's included in this base set. So basically for the sets that Panini is not going to release standalone sets for them for the NBA this season, for example, XR, Crusade, Marquee, Honors, or Hometown Heroes, those will be included in this Chronicle set. And the variety is what we'll say what the draw of this set is, not so much as the big hit, but we do have a chance of getting gold standard rookie jersey auto red parallels, but those seem to be very rare. So for the Blaster exclusive, we have the pink parallels. So from the UFC Blaster I unboxed a couple months ago, here there are the pink parallels that we got. So I expect the similar breakdown for NBA as well. So yeah, let's rip this open and see what we get. So since I started collecting sports cards again, this is my fourth NBA product that I open after Illusions, Optics, and Mosaic. So far I still haven't got any LaMelo Ball cards yet, so I'm hoping in these 8 packs I can finally get my first LaMelo Ball card. Let's see, so here are the 8 packs of 5 cards, so let's rip them open. So in each 5 card pack I expect at least one shiny card in each pack. And yeah, let's hopefully we can get a LaMelo or at least Anthony Edwards rookie from these packs. Okay, to start things off, we have a Giannis playbook, a Josh Green rookie Panini, a Bam Adebayo Chronicles, and our first pink parallel of XR Peyton Pritchard rookie. So nice that the pink parallel is a shiny card. And then our last card is an XR of Jae'Sean Tate. Second pack, we start with RJ Hampton Luminance. Ooh, finally, my first LaMelo Ball card, LaMelo rookie, Panini Threads. So after ripping 4 boxes, finally got my first LaMelo. So hopefully we get more LaMelo from this box. And then right after that, Tyrese Haliburton, Rookies and Stars. So very nice back-to-back rookie cards of the top rookies from this class. And then next up we have Hometown Heroes, Danny Avdia. And then lastly we have a marquee of Isaac Okoro. Pretty good pack, finally got my first LaMelo. It's possible that we can get more LaMelo from the rest of the packs from different sets. And next up we have Akira Lewis Playbook Rookie, Sadiq Bey Panini Rookie, Chris Paul Chronicles. And then a pink parallel of Panini Threads Kyrie Irving. And then we have a Peyton Pritchard rookie from Essentials. So far we got 2 shiny cards of Peyton Pritchard. I'm hoping we can get more shiny cards of LaMelo and Anthony Edwards with the rest of our packs. We have a rated rookie, Campazzo from Donruss. And then Killian Hayes from Prestige. Ben Simmons, Rookies and Stars. And then a pink parallel of Desmond Bain from Panini. And then we have a Bradley Beal marquee. Start with Ben Simmons Luminance. We'll see what happens at the trade deadline. If he'll be moved or he'll just stay out of 76ers lineup for the rest of the year. Theo Maledon Playbook rookie. RJ Barrett Chronicles and a nice pink Precious Achua rookie for my favorite team, Raptors. And then to finish off, we have XR Nico Mannion. Three more packs. Hoping to get more LaMelo or Anthony Edwards. Start off with Ja Morant Panini. Panini Threads Steph Curry. Rookies and Stars Nikola Jokic. Aaron Gordon Optics. And Obi Toppin for the Knicks from Essentials. Sadiq Bey Luminance. Jordan Nora Playbook. Damian Lillard Chronicles. Jamal Murray Pink Parallel of Chronicles. And then Xavier Tillman of Marquee. So down to our last pack. Let's see if we have any last pack magic and get more LaMelo. Start off Danny Avdija Panini rookie. LeBron Prestige. Rookies and Stars Jason Tate. And LeBron Luminous Parallel, Pink Parallel. And then we finish off with another Peyton Pritchard shiny XR. Okay, so that's our box. Let's do a quick recap. So for Pink Parallels, we have the LeBron James Luminance, Precious Achua Essential Pink Parallel, Desmond Bain Panini Pink Parallel, Jamal Murray Chronicles Pink, Kyrie Irving Panini Threads Pink, and then this seems to be a Peyton Pritchard box. We got the pink XR, the regular base, XR Peyton Pritchard, and Essential Peyton Pritchard. For top rookies, we got Tyrese Halliburton rookies and stars, and then finally my first LaMelo Ball rookie right here. So after 4 products, finally one shows up. Well, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more unboxing video. Next up, we will be ripping a box of Mosaic Mega Box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.